Okay guys, so we have here Ben Babica, local hero of Guimaras, national athlete for BMX, competing here in the Enduro Island Assault 2025. Champion, first place in the hardtail category. Ben, describe your race. How was the 2 days, 8-stage race dito sa Guimaras?
Day 1, all 5, okay lang. Kasi yung traction ng lupa, maputik tsaka madulas. Madami ding error, okay lang. Nakatapos na rin. Tas sa stage 2, madami akong semplang tsaka error. Pero sa stage 3 tsaka stage 4, na-clean ko na rin. Kasi yung traction ng lupa tsaka yung gulong, kumakapit na rin.
Nakabawi.
Oo, nakabawi na rin. Tsaka day 2, okay lang kasi stage 5, clean run. Stage 6, clean run din. Tsaka yung stage 7, clean run. Stage 8, sa start, naplatan ako hanggang finish line. Sa finish line nga, natanggalan ako ng gulong. Ito, natanggal yung gulong. Wala. Pero tinuloy ko rin yung laro. Pero yung traction ng lupa, maganda rin.
So as you can see guys, wala siyang tires running into the finish line sa stage 8. Yet, siya pa rin yung fastest tire. Naka-hardtail. Wala pang tires sa stage 8. So, again, congratulations,
Thank you.
Ben. And are we gonna be seeing you here next year sa Guimaras ulit?
Yes, next year, punta kayo rito. May laro din dito, Nationals, siguro, Enduro. Pero join lang, tsaka enjoy.
Okay.
Lang.
Congrats.
Thank you.